Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing today? Well, I thought we'd go in this California State Railroad Museum. Check it out. This place is massive. I've never been in here. I've heard a lot about it, a lot of good things. It's supposed to be like a couple 100,000 square foot of nothing but railroad history. So let's go on in and check her out. It's $10 to get in, and that's not bad. That's for an all-day pass and everything. So there's a lot to see here. Alrighty, go get my ticket. Alrighty, well, the tour begins. I'm just going to wander through. I'm going to play some music. There's no sense me talking because I have no clue what I'm talking about when it comes to trains. And I'll see you at the end of the video. Enjoy the tour. Wow, this place is absolutely amazing. This is probably one of the finest and biggest museums I've ever been in. I've been in quite a few around the country, but man, this thing is well laid out. Well worth $10. I mean, I wish there was a lot of kids here today, and I'd definitely like to take one of their guided tours. You know, they have tours and they got a movie you can watch and all kinds of stuff. So, but definitely well worth it. Nice gift shop. Check out this gift shop here. They got railroad everything. Wonder why. But everything you could ever think about the railroads in here for sale, of course. Well, it's time to get on down the road. I'm kind of tired. It's been a lot of walking. This place is huge. But definitely, if you're in Sacramento, check out the California State Railroad Museum. You won't go wrong here. Alright, this is Russ. I'm signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day, and don't forget to travel safe.